Clara, I'm sorry to come like this. I needed to know you were all right.
How did you find me?
I never stopped looking.
I know. I know you didn't.
You don't have to say anything. You look well, that's everything.
That right there was made with a single prompt and one AI tool. No editing software, no complicated pipeline, no team. But honestly, the output is not even the most interesting part of this video. What I want to show you today is how I solve the 3 biggest problems that make most AI films look completely amateur. And I did it all inside one workflow. Making an AI short film is exciting, but keeping everything consistent is where things usually fall apart. The first challenge is character consistency. Your main character can look great at the beginning, then slowly change from one scene to the next until they barely resemble the same person. The second challenge is story continuity. As the film gets longer, the AI can lose track of important details. Characters behave differently, scenes stop connecting naturally, and the storyline starts to feel confusing. The third challenge is complexity. Once you introduce multiple characters or move between different locations, keeping everything consistent becomes much harder. That's why many AI creators keep their films simple, even if it means sacrificing bigger ideas. Those 3 things are basically the wall every AI filmmaker hits. Today, I am going to show you how I handled all 3 of them in one tool called Flova. Flova is not just another AI video generator. It is a conversational filmmaking agent. You give it an idea and it builds the storyboard, selects the models, generates the scenes, and assembles everything into a final film through a simple back and forth conversation. When you hover your mouse over the plus icon, you can upload images, audio, videos, and even documents such as PDFs and other text files. There are also several models available to choose from. Some of the best image models are available here, and under video, you can access models like Seedance 2 and other top performing options. Under music, you get access to models like Suno AI, and for narration and dialogue, you can use premium voice models such as 11 Labs and Minimax Audio, all integrated directly inside Flova. When you scroll down, you will find the recent projects section where all your previous projects are organized and easy to access. You will also find a collection of ready-made templates that can help you get started quickly instead of building everything from scratch. For this project, I wanted to stress test everything. I needed a story with multiple characters, multiple locations, and a real emotional arc, something that would expose any weakness in consistency fast. The story I went with is this. A father who gave up his daughter for adoption 20 years ago tracks her down after her mother passes away. He travels across 3 cities with nothing but an old photograph, and when he finally finds her, he watches from a distance and walks away without saying a word. 7 scenes, 3 locations, 2 main characters, a complete emotional arc from beginning to end. There are also several skills available here. Skills are basically saved creative blueprints that define your entire workflow. The model to use, the visual style, the character setup, all of it saved in one click. So instead of rebuilding everything from scratch every time, you just select a skill and your entire production setup is ready to go. This is huge if you are making content in a series or working with clients repeatedly. And when you click more, it takes you to the full skill library, where you can browse hundreds of community-built skills across every category. Drama, commercial, anime, documentary, music video, you name it. Think of it as a marketplace of expert workflows built by creators who have already figured out what works. You can also create your own custom skill once you have a workflow you want to reuse. For this project, I am not using any skill because I am building from scratch. And this is the prompt I will be using. I will leave it in the description of this video if you want to try the same thing. For this demo, I will go with GPT Image 2 model and Seedance 2, then allow Flova.ai to handle the rest. This is the chat section where you talk with Flova agent directly. I will not delve much into it for now. And also, this is the storyboard section where you see all your activity progress. The first decision that mattered was the character reference sheet. Before generating a single scene, Flova built a full visual profile for both characters, locking in their appearance, clothing, and facial features. Every scene then references back to that profile. So the father in scene 1 and the father in scene 6 are the same person. The second decision was the voice anchor. I chose to generate voice anchors using the Seedance Fast model, which locks in each character's voice once and carries it consistently through the entire film. So every time the father speaks, it feels like the same man. From there, Flova generated all 7 scenes and assembled the audio, music, and final timeline automatically. Here is what I want you to notice when you watch this. Same man, same face, same coat. Multiple scenes apart, 3 different locations, and there is 0 drift. That is not luck. That is the character reference system working exactly the way it should. Once the story is complete, everything lands on the timeline fully assembled. You can still go in, review each scene, make any final adjustments, and when you are happy with everything, you export. Now, here is why this actually matters beyond just making a cool film. Emotional storytelling content is growing fast on YouTube and TikTok and consistently outperforms tutorials in watch time and shares. Brands are also paying creators anywhere from $300 to $1,000 for a 60 to 90 second cinematic brand story. And with this workflow, you can produce it in a single session. Client testimonial videos, product launch films, social media ads, the workflow is the same every time. The prompt just changes. Flova gives you the entire stack for $20 a month, 1 subscription. Instead of spending more money juggling multiple tools that don't even talk to each other. Grab the link in the description to sign up. You'll get 100 free credits right away, another 200 once you complete your first workflow, and every person you invite earns you even more on top of that. The link is in the description. Go try it. Before you go anywhere, stay for the full film, start to finish. Once it's done, drop a comment with your rating. And if this kind of AI filmmaking content is your thing, hit subscribe. I've got more of these workflows on the way. All right, let's roll the film.
"20 years. You must be something now." Excuse me, does a woman named Clara live here around 28?
No one by that name, sorry.
There you are. You're okay, that's enough. Clara, I'm sorry to come like this. I needed to know you were all right.
How did you find me?
I never stopped looking.
I know. I know you didn't.
You don't have to say anything. You look well, that's everything.